Check out this 2010 Kia Optima. Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle with an efficient 4-cylinder engine driven by a 5-speed automatic transmission. Anti-lock brakes help you bring your vehicle to a safe stop, and memory settings are one of many features. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Power windows, power steering, power mirrors, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included: front ventilated disc brakes, passenger airbag, side airbag, curtain head airbags, stability control, daytime running lights. Call today to schedule a test drive.